Ngikubingelele mlaleli ngiphinde ngikwamukele ku-channel yethu ezinohlonze trending news. Usisi uyokhuluma kule video uThembisa uMakabanele ukuthi uBanele la khona uyazilwela kanti ke futhi umphumela azowuthola uMakabanele ngumphumela ozomanelisa kwayena.
Yani, this is a very sensitive issue. This is for uMamphilisiwe uMamakabanele. Mamela Lasithandwa Sami, I have never seen a woman othanda ingane zakhe njengawe. You are a very strong woman and oyilo muntu ozitshela ukuthi impilo yami ngingamane ngayidela so that my kids can be okay, so that my son can get the justice that he deserves. Mamela Lasithandwa Sami, uyabona ubuhlungu obuswayo, I could feel it. Just by looking in your eyes, I could feel it, and bengifuna ukukudlulisela nayi indaba. You said that there is no justice in South Africa. Yes, there is no justice in South Africa. And khona igama olikhiphile when you mentioned ukuthi, I can't even say rest in peace till today to my son because angikhoni ngilimele. Yebo, he is not resting in peace because he is fighting. You said there's no justice, but this is a spiritual fight. You need to understand ukuthi this is a spiritual fight. And labantu laba abayenzile lento le. Wherever you are sitting, you are thinking ukuthi baziphilela impilo yabo kumnandi. They are not. I have umlayeza, they are not. Igazi lomuntu liyazilwela, igazi lomuntu liyakhuluma. Banele is fighting beyond the grave because izinto esezenzeka manje zibuza ukuthi all of a sudden now people want to clear their names. All of a sudden now abantu sebafuna ukuvelela abantu. A person can pretend as if they are okay makakubhekile kanje aphambi kwakho, but you don't know what they are going through behind closed doors. Awazi ukuthi kwenzakala ini mabalele. There is something bengifuna ukuthi ngizokubonisa yona namhlanje Sithandwa Sami. You are a very spiritual person and you are very strong. La udlule khona, a lot of women wouldn't have survived. But you are still here today. That's because unamandla thizeni spiritually. I don't know if you are aware. Cela ukuthi mamele Sithandwa Sami. Your son appeared as someone bekangazwani nomsindo, someone bekangazwani nempi. But the spirit of a fighter is something that he had in him. So, uyalwa lo mfana lo, and the umphumela ozothola Sithandwa Sami is going to be fulfilling more than lo mphumela lobo ubhekile yokuthi you want people to be arrested. You want people to be held accountable because you are still feeling pain. Listen, my love. Inyembezi ozikhala every day. Le inyembezi ozikhala every day. Le damu eligcwele leli umntanakho omfake phakathi kwalo alimculisi naye la khona. So he is fighting because he also wants to see you okay. He also wants to see you happy. He also wants to see you unale peace le oyidingayo. That is why everything that is happening right now. Mamela Lasithandwa Sami, justice, yellow, iyeke. Labantu laba hamba khona. Yes, okwamanje basayenza nje ukuthi imikhondo ilahleke kube ngathi kwenzakala ini, kodwa ekugcineni kuyohleka wena. Oyohleka kokugcina umuntu uwe. Umuntu makaziveza, people like, when people start confessing or abantu mase baqala bakhipha indaba zabo, they do it in so many ways. What I would like you to take with you is that what's happening now, this is still the beginning. This is still the beginning. Sit back, relax, and watch everything unfold. And I am still saying, umuntu oyohleka kokugcina uwe, because this is not a physical fight, but this is a spiritual fight. And your son is not resting in peace because uyalwa naye la khona. Ulwela impilo yakhe, ulwela ijustice yakhe, ulwela inhliziyo yakhe, ulwela ubuhlungu bakho, ulwela inyembezi zakho. Ngelinye ilanga uzongikhumbula. Ngelinye ilanga uzowabona amandla onawo. Bazamile ukuthi bayakuwisa, bazamile ukuthi bakuzwise ubuhlungu. Even after everything that they have done, you are still standing. So in everything that is happening right now, please understand ukuthi you are still the winner, because lebe bafuna ukuyibona ayikakayenzeki and kude kabi nokuyenzeka. So sit back and relax.